Let me show you this. I had got it as a prize in my daughter's school fete in one of the games. So I'm going to use this one. Let me just take this out first. So let me just keep the cup here. This will be the right place. I want to decorate this vanity area today. Some leaves. Just a few green leaves or twigs also will enhance the beauty of a corner. And this is actually the stem of my Arabian jasmine. I must have seen it in one of my plant videos. And this is the rabbit fern. See, a little bit of greenery into this corner. And maybe a flower. This is a foxflower, not an original one. Like a kind of a peony. And this is the rabbit fern. Rabbit paw fern, that is actually. And maybe I can put a tea light holder in here. The blue color will match with this one. And light maybe into this. Okay, and a small candle here just in case I need it. Now onto this side, I'm going to put this. This is a small, tiny cottage sort of. Doesn't it look beautiful? It's written OUR as ours. That's my husband and mine. We don't have such a cottage, but yes, we have a small, beautiful flat. And I'm thankful for that. So let our cottage sit here. And two puppies. And I'm going to keep this. I use this Cocosol. This is the coconut oil. Winter months, I need this. Let me keep it here. And just one lipstick case, just to dab it on when I'm going out. And yes, and I keep this for my daughter so that as soon as she comes back from school, I tell her, you wash your face with this face wash. So this is it. And let me put one light into this. I'm going to put this one in here. So this is it. So this is the vanity area. Now I will go and make some breakfast for myself and then catch up with all of you. I've quickly made 2 pancakes for myself and I'm going to have it with some strawberry jam and cream and guava. You know, it's best to have pancakes the way it is to be had. We can easily tear it with a hand and have it like roti, but then pancakes are meant to be had with, you know, the fork, cut it with a knife. Right now I'm just using a fork, dabbing it with jam and again a little bit of cream, and then I'm enjoying this banana pancake. Okay, so my breakfast is done. Now I'm going to have some fruit juice. Now what better fruit juice can we have in winter other than the orange juice? Orange juice is ready and I have put a small mint leaf into it. Now getting on to the next part of my work, that is in the kitchen. So there is going to be no onion and garlic today as it's Ekadashi. This is my homemade paneer and I bought some store-bought paneer as well. With this I'm going to make Matar paneer ka sabzi, and there's a packet of chilies. And here I've already made suji ka halwa in the morning. This is ready. And I boiled the milk and kadai is ready, and this is the masala. Now some of you requested me to add the ingredients of the masala also, to say it in my blog if I have posted a recipe in my blog. So sure, I'm going to let you know about it. That is the panjari laddu and the amla pickle. It's about to get over, only 3 or 4 pieces, only the oil is left now. Now regarding the masala, what I have done is I have first dry grinded this cashew, and okay, let me tell you, here I have fried the paneer first lightly, and then in this tempering I have put cinnamon and cardamom, that is darchini and elaichi, and when you get that light fragrance, that is the time I have poured this masala into it. In this, first add just grinded the kaju, that is cashew nut, and then into that I have added ginger, chili, then I have green chilies, and then I have added tomatoes into it, and then made a paste with some water. This is all that is there in this paste. Now I am going to fry this well. You can even add poppy seed along with the cashew nut. Now after I have fried it for some time, then I added this haldi and red chili powder, followed by the dhania powder and the cumin powder, that is jeera and dhania, and then the salt. Now I have given this a good stir and fried it well. All the masalas have been fried well. Then I have added the green peas. Now if the green peas are the frozen one, they don't take much time to cook. You can put the frozen green peas along with the paneer, but if it is with the shell like the one I am using, hara matar, then you add it right now only, and then pour hot water into it, as this one will take time to cook. Let me start wiping the gas stove a little at a time, just the preliminary one. Later I'm going to do it with the soapy water, because once this hardens, it's very difficult. It takes a lot of time to clean up. So just slightly with a wet cloth, I'm just going to wipe it. Time to add in the paneer, because the matar has cooked more or less. Paneer I'll add, and then I'll cover it. In the end, you can add little garam masala, ghee, and of course a little bit of sugar, because you need to cut the tanginess of the tomato. That's it. And here I am ready to get my daughter from school. Now let me show you, this is the new extension of the school. Now that's the way to the school, the road in the far off horizon. But I am going to cross this field. This is the shortcut, and I am going to reach the main road from here. So this is the main road to the school, and this is the school boundary, which is going to lead to the main gate, and these are the private vehicles. The students who don't go in the school bus, they go in this vehicle, but some of them just walk to school or even cycle to school. And this is the main gate of the school. This is the school. Let me see from here. Some parents with their poses. Back home, I've just made garma garam fulkas, and we have enjoyed it with this matar paneer and suji ka halwa. My daughter sat down to study in her room, and I've decided to spend this evening reading a book.
What are you studying? Physics. Okay. Study. If you have any doubts, you tell me.
Spending some me time now. It's always good to spend some time for yourself. Always do something which you enjoy doing, at least once in a day. The Terminal Man. My guy pushed. This is the book. I like the smell of books, old books. This is a thriller actually. A brilliantly achieved and all too believable modern Frankenstein. It's a nice book. I've read it, I think, so long time back. And I want to read it again. So with this, I would like to end this vlog here. If you've liked it, do like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching till the end. Till we meet again in the next video, it is bye-bye.